This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-50 King Ranch. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include an off-road package, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a limited slip differential, skid plates, a navigation system, and hill descent control. The following features are also included: a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, high-intensity headlights, automatic locking wheel hubs, running boards, an anti-lock braking system, adjustable driver pedals, and aluminum wheels. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Mac Haik Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 515 North Interstate 35 East in DeSoto.